Alright, so this is how to find Bitcoin's crypto or cryptocurrency's latest articles completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is bitbo.io. I'll leave a link in the video down in the description. If you go to the bottom right hand screen, or the top right hand screen I should say, we have latest articles right here. As you can see, Robinhood recently launched Bitcoin. In Europe, that's a pretty big deal for Bitcoin to skyrocket. You can see we have different articles, but unfortunately we only have the top, let's say 4, so there's only so much you can do. But these are articles that are pretty sweet, short, simple, straight to the point. The next website over here is bitcoinmagazine.com. As you can see, this is a little bit more in depth, but pretty nuanced and basic. As you can see, you scroll down and we have the latest articles, or the first tab right here on their website. As you can see, they're all Bitcoin related, more or less, give or take. This next one over here is called decrypt.co, or Bitcoin news. We have news on the first tab, and it's pretty similar as the last website, bitcoinmagazine.com. Different format, but pretty punchy and tasty, completely for free. Again, Bitcoin news only.